Hey Don, so I'm feeling frustrated with a few parts of this assignment. Um, so I'm trying to duplicate this background layer, like you said to do. So I duplicate layer and it shows up here. And so then this one I lock so that I can have the original in the background. And then I'm here and I go to crop it, which the cropping is also frustrating because the instructions say to crop out the Nalgene bottle. So the cropped image should not have the Nalgene bottle, as is the requirements of the assignment. But then later in the assignment, it says, well, so we're supposed to have the waffle, but not the Nalgene bottle. And then we're supposed to like remove the tinfoil, but I feel like if I crop out the Nalgene bottle, there isn't really any tinfoil. So, and it's late. It's too late for me to feel this kind of frustration. But then when I crop it, I'm supposed to have the originals, but I've locked this like original bottom layer and now that layer has cropped. So I'm unclear as to how to have the original image on the first layer and whether or not you want this Nalgene bottle, I guess. And maybe anyways, it's like 50 minutes from the deadline, so I'm probably just gonna anyways. This condensed class is awesome. Anyways, I'll let you go. But if you could just answer those questions. Anyways, okay, thanks.